A few redirect with the court's permission, Your Honor, please.
With emphasis on a few, counsel. Go.
Yes.
You may proceed, counsel.
Madam Witness, kanina, nung nakarang araw, while yung prosecution that is presenting you as an hostile or as we are accustomed to, hostile witness, sinabi nyo, in several instances, hindi mo masagot yung mga katanungan nangyari 2022 and prior to that. Kasi sabi mo, hindi mo na maalala. You remember having said that, hindi po ba?
Yung mga tanong mo po, Your Honor, na sinabi mo yung
Sa Davao.
sa Davao na 460.
Yes.
Di ko maalala yun, Your
Okay,
Honor.
Hindi mo
Ang
maalala.
amount. Opo.
Pero ma'am, kanina dire-diretso yung defense. Tinatanong ka, nakatanggap ba ng audit observation memorandum? Natanggap ba ng notice of disallowance during your stint sa Davao City? Diretso, sabi mo, wala. Biglang
No
naalala
question,
nyo.
Your Honor.
Wait. I'm testing the
Kindly
credibility
allow
of this.
counsel to finish.
Now, bigla mong naalala, 2019, 2018 to 2022. Alam niyo po ba yung tinatawag nating selective memory, ma'am? Do you know that? Yes or
Objection,
no?
Your Honor.
Oops.
Argumentative.
Your Honor, I'm confronting this witness with a fact that everybody heard. When I was asking questions, sabi niya, conveniently hindi ko maalala. But when propounded with similar line of questioning as to events that happened in Davao City while she was an SDO, she said, yes, I can remember, diretsa yung sagot. That's why I'm asking that question as basis. Alam niyo po ba, anong ibig sabihin
I'll allow
ng selective memory?
If the witness knows,
Ang ibig sabihin po kanina, Your Honor, ang amount po na sinabi nyo na yun po ba, yan ba ang halaga ng confidential funds ng Davao City? Yun po, nag-concentrate ako, ang intindi ko, ang pagsabot ko, Your Honor, is yung the amount po. Hindi ko po maalala kung yun ba talaga, Your Honor.
That's your
Okay.
answer, ma'am. Ma'am, let's proceed po. Let's proceed, ma'am.
that's the witness's answer.
Yes, Mr. Presiding Officer. You know, ako, for 2 days, medyo nahihirapan sa mga tanong ko kasi sabi mo, hindi ka nakakaintindi masyado ng Tagalog. Naalala niyo po ba yung mga episodes na yan during the last hearing and this morning? Yes or no? Alala mo?
Ano yun, sir?
Yung mga hindi mo maintindihan, yung mga tanong ko na tinatagalog ko, di ba naalala mo, nasabi mo, hindi ko maintindihan. That's why we had to go through the trouble of trying to interpret, translate into Bisaya, Tagalog, and English. Alala po ba yung mga pangyayari yan sa loob ng courtroom? Di po ba?
Yes,
or no?
naalala ko, Your Honor,
Yes,
yung mga
okay.
Tagalog na lalom, na
Lalom.
deeper.
Yeah,
Dili kay
deeper.
ko ka sabot, Your
Yes,
Honor.
hindi ko maintindihan yung sabot now. But when it was the defense asking you, rapido.
What's the question, Your Honor?
Wait, not yet. Hold your horses.
Counsel is testifying, Your Honor.
Relax. Hindi pa tapos. I'm just laying the premise. Relax. Mabilis.
There's no question, Your Honor.
Wait. Mabilis, Tagalog, all of a sudden, nasasagot mo, walang translation, nasasagot mo ng diretso.
Your Honor,
Explain.
nangutan naman ko, nag-ask ko saya, Your Honor, kay dili ko, ang question niya, na yung mga question niya, Your Honor, nga nagpa-repeat ko, kay dili kayo ko kasabot, dili kayo ko ka-understand, Your Honor.
Alright.
Nagmutan ako kay attorney, nagpa-repeat ko po ng question sa kay attorney kung ano po yon, kay hindi ko talaga na maintindihan or
Yes,
makuha ang iyang pangutana, Your
Your Honor, I will
Honor.
not belabor the point. The records are crystal clear.
Move
I
to
will move
strike.
on. Oh, what? I move on to the next question.
Move to strike, Your Honor. It's counsel is testifying.
I mean, that's a
motion-
manifestation. And what
Motion
we-
denied. Motion denied, counsel. I mean,
yeah. You should do your own
Let it stay the
countermandate
record.
you may. Okay, now, Madam Witness, sinabi mo kanina, si Colonel Lachica naman yung may access to security information. Kaya siya yung may alam sa confidential activities. Tsaka, naalala mo sinabi mo yan kanina, di po ba?
Oo.
Now,
Opo.
and then, kinonfront kayo ng Counsel for the Defense, wala naman daw sa joint circular na yung trabaho ng Special Disbursing Officer dapat alam yung mga confidential activities. Yun yung sagot nyo, di po ba?
Nalibog. I'm
Confused
confused.
ka. Ayan, yun na yun, ma'am eh. Naku-confuse po kayo kung ako yung nagtatanong.
Usapon niyo. Repeat,
I'm
Your
just
Honor.
repeating this series of questions that were propounded to you by the defense. Uulitin ko. I will indulge. Ma'am, sinabi nyo kanina, si Colonel Lachica yung nag implement ng confidential activities kasi siya yung may access to security information. Yun, napakaklaro niyan, ma'am, ha?
Opo.
Naaalala niyo po ba yan?
Opo, Your
Now,
Honor.
sinabi nyo rin, kinonfirm mo yung observation ng Defense Counsel na on the other hand, yung Special Disbursing Officer naman, wala naman nakasulat dyan na may alam about confidential activities. Naaalala niyo po ba yan? Yung sagot nyo.
Yes, naalala ko.
Okay.
Sagot ko kay Attorney
Ano yung pangalan ng attorney, ma'am, if you know?
Lyndon.
Ma'am, kailan nyo nakausap si Attorney Lyndon before this
Attorney
testimony?
Lyndon.
Not
Ma'am.
part of the
It is.
cross,
It is.
Your Honor.
It is. Ma'am, kailan nyo last
counsel
nakausap?
may impeach the witness. She has been declared a hostile witness.
Ma'am, look at me, ma'am. Tingin ka sa
Yes,
akin.
sir.
Ma'am, you are under oath.
Opo.
Yes, ma'am. Kailan mo last nakausap si Attorney Lyndon?
Last week. Last week pa.
Last week or last week?
Last week. Kasi last week, umuwi ako ng Davao to visit my husband.
And then, so doon mo nakita sa Attorney Lyndon?
No.
Last week.
Last week pa.
Ano
Before I
pag-usapan niyo,
go.
ma'am? Very interested. Ano pag-usapan niyo?
Na ano lang, natanong ko lang sa kanya kung what is the proceedings kung sa Senate hearing.
Mhm. And then, ano sinabi ni Attorney Lyndon?
Ganito, tatanungin po kayo, ma'am. Tapos,
Oo.
bla bla bla. Doon
And then, sinasabi niya ano yung mga tanong itatanong sa'yo, hindi po ba?
Wala siyang sinasabi, Your Honor.
Okay, anyways. Now, let's go back. Sinasabi mo, security officer may access to security information. Now, if the tech is ready, can we show 3.27? 3.27 ng joint circular. But this is rather brief. I will read for everyone's consumption. Security officer refers to a personnel who by reason of his duty or employment has been officially designated as such to have access to security information. Tanong, nasa 3.27 ba, yung nabanggit kong provision, yung terminong confidential activities, yes or no? Wala.
Ay.
Ma'am, wala, di ba? Yes or no?
Confidential.
Wala po ba? Security information. Ma'am, I will confront you with a document. Please, Attorney Mark.
Asa siya? Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Mhm. Wala dyan, di po ba?
Wala po dito.
Now, pero on the other hand, 3.29, this time the definition of a special disbursing officer, nakasulat dyan, refers to head of agency or a regular employee designated by the head of agency to be in charge of making disbursements of CF. Anong ibig sabihin ng CF?
Sa akong, in my own understanding, Your Honor,
Confidential.
CF means confidential funds.
Agree. Sa dalawang provision na yan, napakaklaro, trabaho mo as a special disbursing officer yung pag-disburse ng confidential funds. Wala sa security officer's definition ni isa. Wala dyan nakasulat na trabaho niya. Confidential activities. Pag-disburse ng confidential activities, tama po ba?
Ako po ang nag-disburse, Your Honor. Dili po siya ang nag-disburse. Siya lang po ang nag-implement, Your Honor.
Yes, that's your answer. Now, ma'am, sinabi mo kanina na as SDO, hindi naman required na may background in confidential activities. Hindi po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Sinabi din na walang necessary training into confidential activities. Hindi po ba?
Ano yun?
Walang training in confidential activities na requirement for confidential, I mean, as an SDO, walang requirement na training in confidential activities.
Wala po nakabutang dito, Your
I'm
Honor.
just curious ba, ma'am, ano po ba yung natapos niyo, ma'am? Ano yung college degree niyo?
College graduate po, Your Honor.
College graduate, anong kurso niyo?
Customs Administration, Your Honor.
Ma'am, saan kayo nag-aral?
Sa Davao po.
Anong school?
Maths College of Technology.
Customs Administration.
Opo, Your Honor.
Did you take a licensure exam?
Wala, Your Honor.
Okay now. Ma'am, sinabi niyo na wala kayong background sa confidential activities. Hindi po ba?
Confidential operation po, Your Honor.
Confidential operations. Yung tanong is, ba't kaya kayo yung? Kung alam mo lang ha, since wala kayong alam, yun yung pinapakita nyo sa mundo na wala kayong alam. Ba't ka
Your
naging
Honor.
SDO? Kung alam mo. Hindi mo rin alam.
Misleading, argumentative, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor, that's basis.
Complete the question, Counsel, if I may.
Yes.
Kung wala kayong training sa confidential activities, bakit po kayo ang napili bilang SDO para panghawakan ng confidential fund? Hindi lamang ng OVP, pati ng sa Davao po nun.
Hindi ko alam po, Your Honor, kung bakit ako po ang kinuha ng Vice Presidente as SDO.
Sa
Okay.
OVP at sa City of Davao. Opo, tama.
Sa dalawa po, Your Honor.
I will ask this question, Your Honor, and there's basis. Hindi po ba naging SDO ka? Because you follow orders blindly.
Ano, blind?
Objection, Your Honor.
There's basis to
Argumentative.
that, Your Honor. There's basis to the question.
It's argumentative, Your Honor.
Naging SDO ka,
Reform Council, it is
naging SDO
argumentative.
ka kasi sinusunod mo lang lahat ng utos sa'yo. For example, ng Vice President.
Same objection, Your Honor.
I reformed.
We will allow it, Council. We will allow it, Council. Kindly answer, sa pananaw niyo po ba yan ang dahilan kung bakit kayo ang hinirang ng SDO nung Davao at ng OVP?
Hindi ko alam, Your Honor.
Hindi mo rin alam.
Hindi mo masabi na dahil sinusunod mo lahat ng inuutos sa'yo?
Hindi ko alam, Your Honor. Basta ako, ginagawa ko lang, Your Honor, ang akong pagiging SDO, Your Honor.
Mhm.
Okay.